What sort of teams do you actually work with and interact with, and what sort of interaction do you have with them?
You have the generalist. I think even at Google, you might be interacting with more or less the same folks. The sales team or the business team, I would like to look at them in a similar way because they are the folks that you need to make sure that you communicate the right thing in a non-technical way. So your management over there has to be of that sort. Product managers are going to be generally technical folks at the end of the day, and they are going to be more of the owner of a product or like a domain within a product, I would say rather. And you need to understand, okay, how does this product actually function? What are you trying to launch next? Okay, what sort of abuses might happen? What are the safety nets that we can keep in place? So those are the sort of discussions that you might have with the product manager. Program managers are some folks who like kind of manage a program. So how I look at the difference between the two is program managers are more like they're managers for like a shorter project. So if there's a project that's running, they kind of discuss with the engineers, they discuss with like the legal team, and they're more of the bringing everybody together sort of people. So mostly you need to convey your updates to them, any roadblocks that you might have, or what would be a better way out for it, and things like that. It's more of a, I think, business related discussion as to how things should proceed. With engineers, it's mostly that you need to give them insights. Okay, this is what I see, and this is what I think might happen next, or things like that. In fact, even product managers also sometimes need insights, wherein you give them this sort of insights for like what the abuse is happening or how the trend is going and things like that. Legal teams are very, very important in terms of trust and safety because eventually trust and safety is somehow a part of legal. If you see the broader picture of how things is placed, it becomes really important to understand from the legal team if in terms of legality, are we going it the right way? If probably an issue has been raised, are there legal implications around it and things of that sort? So yeah, these are the mostly teams that we interact with on a very regular basis.